Chapter 5. A visit to Uncle's farm. Learning objectives. 1. Evaluating the difference between a city and a village with a farm. 2. Discussing the importance of farms. Warm up. The farm animals have hidden all of the question marks. Find and circle all of them. Instruction for discussion. 1. Ask children to identify animals in the farm. 2. Let them participate in classroom discussion about a farmhouse. It is Sunday today. Sumit and Lisa's parents are at home. Your uncle has invited us to his farm today. Fine, Papa. We will have fun with Jay and Pooja. They drive out of the city in the car. Where is the farm, Papa? It is not far from here. We will be there soon. Last, they reached the farm. There are fields of wheat and mustard all around. There are many trees also. Jay and Pooja are waiting for them. Sumit and Lisa are very happy to see their friends. The children have fun at the farm. They played and enjoyed. Soon, it is time to go home. They thanked their friends. They waved them bye and wished them to take care of themselves. Then they get into their car and leave that lovely place. Find meaning. Farm, a piece of land used for growing crops. Fields, a piece of land put into growing crops. Wave, to move your hands and greet someone. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Imagine you are a farmer. Which animals would you pet and why? Fill in the table according to your choice. Animals. Reasons. 1. Cows. They give us milk. 2. Hens. They give us eggs. 3. Donkeys. They carry loads. Cross-curricular connects. Learning by doing. Rewrite these sentences using pronouns instead of nouns. One has been done for you. 1. Mr. Agarwal is a teacher. Mr. Agarwal teaches English. Answer. Mr. Agarwal is a teacher. He teaches English. 2. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Peacock is our national bird. Answer. Peacock is a beautiful bird. It is our national bird. 3. Soumya and Surya study in class 1. Soumya and Surya are intelligent boys. Answer. Soumya and Surya study in class 1. They are intelligent boys. 4. I live in Delhi. Delhi is a big city. Answer. I live in Delhi. It is a big city. 5. Mrs. Sharma is a doctor. Mrs. Sharma treats the patients. Answer: Mrs. Sharma is a doctor. She treats the patients. 6. Mango is a fruit. Mango tastes delicious. Answer: Mango is a fruit. It tastes delicious. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Let us play the crossword game with the help of the given hints. Logical decision. Write safe or unsafe for the things you can play with on a farm. Cat, safe. Hen, safe. Tree, safe. Snake, unsafe. Crabs, unsafe. Rock, unsafe. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Where did the family go? Answer: the family go to the farm. B. Who invited the family to the farm? Answer: Uncle invited the family to the farm. C. Who were waiting for the family? Answer: Jay and Pooja were waiting for the family. D. What fields did the children see at the farm? Answer: the children saw mustard and wheat fields at the farm. Find their meanings. A. Place. Site. B. Crop. A plant product that can be harvested. C. Around. On every side. Fill in the blanks, giving details about your best friend. Match the following: car, cow, egg, 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 cow, kettle, car, car. Take the correct option. A. On which day did Sumit and Lisa go to their uncle's farm with their parents? Monday, Wednesday, Sunday, Sunday. B. Who of the following were Sumit and Lisa's friends? J. Pooja, both A and B. Both A and B. C. In which vehicle did Sumit and Lisa go to their uncle's farm? Motorbike, car, bus, car. D. Who of the following drove the car? Sumit, Lisa, Sumit's father. Sumit's father. Conceptual understanding. Rearrange these words to make meaningful sentences. 1. Was tall the tree? Answer: the tree was tall. 2. For you, fruits are good. Answer: fruits are good for you. 3. In the crops grow field. Answer: crops grow in the field. Communication. Writing skills. Read these words. Choose any 4 words to make sentences. Ask for the help of your English teacher.